Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take long screenshot on iPhone. So let's get straight into it. To begin, you will need to download an app called Zeta. So search for it in the App Store, download it, and give the necessary permissions when prompted. After you download the app, navigate to the screen where you want to take the long screenshot. Next, open your control center, press and hold the screen recording button at the bottom, and make sure Zeta scroll shot is selected. And then just tap Start Broadcast. Then just scroll to the area where you want to capture and press the stop button at the top left of the screen when you're done. So after that, you will receive a notification once the screenshot is captured. So tap on it to view your screenshot, and you can also trim it if necessary. Once you're satisfied, simply tap Save in the top right corner, and the screenshot will be saved in your Photos app. And that's pretty much it. That's how to take long screenshot on iPhone. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.